At least 47 people have been killed in monsoon-related disasters of flood, landslide and lightning in Nepal in less than a month with onset of the rainy season. In the meeting of the National Assembly on Friday, the Minister of Labour, Employment and Social Security informed the members of the upper house about the casualties during the monsoon mayhem.
हालसम्म 55वटा बाढीको घटनाबाट 4 जनाको मृत्यु, 1 जना बेपत्ता र 2 जना घाइते भएका छन्। पहिरोबाट 24 जनाको मृत्यु र 19 जना घाइते भएका छन्। 77 ठाउँको भारी वर्षाका घटनाबाट 4 जना घाइते भएका छन्। कुल 28 जनाको मृत्यु, 1 जना बेपत्ता र 25 जना घाइते भई 46 घर पूर्ण क्षति र 36 घर आंशिक क्षति भएका छन्। चट्याङबाट 32 जिल्ला प्रभावित भई 93 चट्याङका घटना घटेका छन्, जसबाट 19 जनाको मृत्यु, 35 जना घाइते भएका छन्।
Nepal records high mortality due to the landslide and flooding during monsoon in annual basis, provided the terrain and unplanned urbanization as well as settlement in the slopes prone to landslide. The Kathmandu Valley, which comprises Kathmandu, Bhaktapur and Lalitpur districts, received continuous downpour resulting in inundation and flooding in the major river streams. Monsoon formally gathered and spread all across the Himalayan nation from the mid of June, which is expected to remain active for about 3 months. The slum dwellers who are in rush to salvage their belongings are much worried for the days to come, as the inundation problem occurred early than it used to be in bygone years.
हिजोदेखि पानी परेर अस्तिदेखि पानी पऱ्यो, तर आजको गम्भीर समस्या छ तपाईको बालबच्चादेखि लिएर तपाईको चाहिँ मुटुका रोगीहरू छन्। वर्षौनी बारी डुबानमा पर्छ, तर अहिले असारमै परेको हुनाले किन भन्नुहुन्छ भने अहिले तपाईको झन्नै घुरा आइसक्यो। रातभरि पर्यो भने बस्ती खतराको घन्टीमा छ। त्यो भावनाले वर्षौनी पस्दाखेरि पनि
As the monsoon continues to increase its presence in Nepal, the government has estimated that as many as 1.8 million people could be affected by rain-related incidents during the season. In the adjoining district of Bhaktapur and Lalitpur, rivers burst their embankment, inundating roads and walkways while the rainfall continued. Temples and building structures were partially and completely submerged under the water, which also carried the debris and mud. The Himalayan nation this year is expecting more than average monsoon rainfall, and early July usually don't record incidents of monsoon-induced disasters.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.